Welcome back to Aegis Armors. My name is Frank. Today we're going to take a walk around in this beautiful 2022 Genesis GV80 Prestige Signature model in Melbourne Gray, matte finish. What a spectacular vehicle. Let's take a walk. So the question's come up a few times. Can you ceramic coat a matte finish vehicle? And the answer is yes. And actually it costs less than doing a gloss vehicle. The reason why is there's no paint correction necessary. This vehicle was brought in brand new, literally has about 50 miles on it. Basically did a wash on the vehicle, made sure there was no contamination on the surface with a solvent wipe, applied our newest generation Aegis Armor ceramic coating to all the exterior paint and the door jambs. After that was completed, we did our glass coating on all the glass and the moonroof. And finally came back and finished it off with our Aegis Armor's wheel coating. And wrap the tires or dress the tires with our Aegis Armor's Black Widow tire shine, which is a no-sling tire shine. One of the things I really like about this matte finish is it really shows off the lines on this vehicle. Genesis has really done a fantastic job of modernizing their vehicles. Build quality is great now. Very nice design. Very high-end looking. And with the coating on it, you can really catch how the light changes on this vehicle and reflects off of it. Also wanted to give you guys a quick tour of the interior, even though we didn't do any coatings on it. Very high-end looking now. Seats, our bucket seats, front and rear, fully adjustable on both. It's got the diamond pattern stitching in it. Kind of reminds me of Audi, Lamborghini-esque type stuff. Really, really high end. It's amazing how far Hyundai has come with their vehicles on this Genesis line. Okay, what we talk about with every video on every vehicle is how to wash them and maintain them. Every couple of weeks, you'll take a pressure washer, you'll rinse the vehicle off. You use our Aegis Armor Foam Fury or Spectrum, which is ceramic-based soap. You'll apply these with a foam cannon, let it sit for about a minute, rinse it off, and then take a leaf blower and dry the vehicle. No touch, no scratch. About once every 2 to 3 months, you'll do a physical 2-bucket hand wash in the vehicle, using grit guards, of course, in your buckets. After that is when you'll use our Aegis Armor Renew product. And this product is designed to basically maintenance and boost the ceramic on the vehicle. It's the only thing you'll need to use on the vehicle after it has the ceramic coating put on it. It can be used on the glass, the wheels, or the paint. We've also got some other do-it-yourself products if anybody's interested in doing those. One of the things we give out with every vehicle that we do is a guide that has a quick do and don't, whether they're going through a car wash or doing a hand wash. So if you have any questions, give us a call, 336-570-9790. We'll be more than happy to answer your questions. If you're looking to get on the schedule, we usually stay booked out about 2 to 3 weeks. Have a great day.